Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of Chewy, ticker symbol CHWY. And here I am recording this on Wednesday, May 29th, after the market has closed. And Chewy closed at a price of $21.50, being up over 27% on the day because they reported earnings this morning and it looks like they had a pretty good first quarter, and so the stock is looking pretty great. However, it has pulled back about 23 cents during after hours trading, being down about 1%. So maybe that's something to consider, that it is right around $21.27 with this level here, the 618, being at a price of $21.21. So getting pretty close to that in the after hours trading. Also, we do see this orange line here drawn at $21.13. Perhaps $21 is a pretty important level for Chewy to be holding after this massive gap up. And so some other levels that I do see to the upside that Chewy might be facing off with as resistance, we could see here $22.35 being the close from January 2nd. There being a little bit of a gap down there. So that is one level that might be acting as some resistance. But then just beyond that, the 786 is right around $23 at $22.98. So another level to be contending with, and then getting back up to the highs here, right around $25, marked in yellow. And if I do take a step back, we can see some other levels to the upside if in case the price does continue higher. We do have this gap fill here at a price of $27.33. That is based on the close from August 30th. And then moving beyond that, we can see the 1618 here at $31.76. But really, I think it's good to just be thinking about $30 or maybe $25, as it does look like the target price has been raised from $25 to 30. So, those are some levels to be paying attention to. But one thing that does stand out to me that, may not be happening soon, but I do think it is good to be keeping this in mind. We do see this downtrending channel here marked by this shaded region here, blue on the top, red on the bottom. That is based on, all of the values here, all of the closes going back to January 12th. And we can see we've had multiple tests of the top of that channel, but then we got a break out of it. And so something that is common when stock prices do break out of downtrends or uptrends, they retrace to the scene of the crime. And so if price were to eventually, maybe in the next month, pull back to this downtrend, around what price could that be? And so right here, based on today, that is right around $18 a share. If time does go on, though, this downtrend will continue down and to the right. And so that could put price at maybe $17 a share, or maybe retesting the 236 here at $17.18. So I do think that is a possibility, but I don't think that is happening in the near term. I do expect this to continue higher, but if we do see volume start to taper off, that could be suggesting that a top is near and there might be a retracement. Will it be all the way down to the 236 to fill this gap based on yesterday's close, which was at a price of $16.91? No, I don't think any pullback in the near term will be to fill that gap. But I do think that gap will eventually be filled, and maybe a month from now. So if volume and price do start to wane a little bit, maybe getting up to like $25, maybe even getting up to $30 or beyond. But if price does start to fade along with volume starting to pull back, that could be suggesting that price will be coming down. And with that, if volume goes up when price goes down, that does suggest a continuation to the downside. And I don't think we're there yet. I think that price will continue higher, and I could definitely see it hitting $25 a share. But a month from now could be back at $19, this purple line here. So do keep that in mind. But those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.